USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly we are down. So if I consider this as a new downtrend in weekly, okay. So if this is your new low or new downtrend has started engulfing this candle, you see here, this, or if I delete it again and then I want to show you this blue candle, you see, maximize it. Now this red candle has closed below my black line. What does it mean? It means it has eaten this whole move. So we are starting a new downtrend, okay? Deleted. So this is your new downtrend. Now you will be stupid to enter short right now. Coming back to daily time frame, daily we are taking a pullback, okay? So what happened in weekly? We made a new low, but we'll take a pullback and then we'll go down. So in this week, we're gonna go only longs, okay? So you see this move is exhausted, right? Now the price will touch the EMA. So we're gonna counter trade. We will enter long and take our profits here, and then red candle will come and then will go down if that happens, okay? Coming back to 4 hour here, 4 hour, you see this is your new uptrend. This is all previous highs are taken by this blue candle, okay? So we are in the uptrend. Look for longs. I am telling you the free TP. Nobody else does that. You can enter long, take your profits at the EMA. Nobody can stop this from happening. Subscribe, like, share, join free Telegram, and all the links are below my video.